Photojournalist Alexis Ramirez with the sights and the sounds of this snow day in Denton County.
Great! Having a wonderful time today.
You don't want to? Come on! I'll go with you.
Are you eating it? No!
I'm gonna eat it, bro.
Yeah, we eat, but don't so much!
Oh, this is awesome!
Try to get the ramp, Bubba.
We're
love
excited.
it.
We're loving it down here.
Hey, y'all watching at home?
Oh, wait, I'm gonna hit that kid.
So be it. Don't get out of the way. Go.